Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Mercedes Benz M-Class. So once you've paired your mobile, all you have to do now is, and I say all, sometimes it gets a bit complicated, so we'll see if this works out. So on to music. So there, if I click at the bottom there, it's not showing the Mercedes Benz as an option. So it has got complicated. To be fair, that's what I wanted it to do. Otherwise, if you find yourself in the same situation, you won't be able to remedy it. So we're on the phone. That's the menu at the moment. Navi, audio, telephone. We want audio. You'll see telephone there. There's an arrow by the side of it, meaning there's more stuff to select. Audio, there isn't. So we go up there. We go to audio. Still nothing to select. Click on audio. Now you've got an arrow. So that's giving you more stuff, and it's got no Bluetooth audio device connected and Bluetooth audio there. If you click on there, Bluetooth audio device list, and now we can select the phone. So onto Barry's iPhone, select. There you go, it showed up here. It's playing on the radio. It's saying Bluetooth device paused. So we'll click play there, and then we'll turn it up here. That's it. That's how you stream audio. And so long as you've got it set like this, it will play your Amazon Prime music, your Apple iTunes, your Spotify, the soundtrack of a YouTube video, the soundtrack of a TikTok video. The sound will all come through the speakers. So that's how you do that.